If you are an aggrieved home buyer and wants UP RERA to take up your case physically, then there is good news for you. Hello friends, welcome to Property Matters. This is Ravi Kumar Divakar and today I am going to talk about how UP RERA is making it easier for home buyers to get their real estate dispute resolved on time. The UP RERA has decided to give a choice of physical hearings to home buyers and developers from May 1st.
We all know that why we were forced to start online hearing, but now many buyers as well as counsels, legal counsels, they are now demanding that physical hearing should also be decided. So what we are thinking is that we will give option to buyers and also to the builder that whether they want physical hearing or they want online hearing. Suppose in one particular case buyer says that I'm happy, I'm comfortable with online hearing, then we will try to give that opportunity to the buyer to appear online. And if the promoter says that he wants to present physically, then he will be allowed for physical hearing. So it will be more of a hybrid kind of a hearing where options can be exercised by both the parties, whether they want to come for online hearing or for physical hearing.
So far, UP RERA has been hearing complaints through virtual mode under the e-court system, keeping in view the need of containment of COVID-19 pandemic. The parties will not be permitted to change the option of physical hearing after having opted for the same. UP RERA had started virtual hearing of cases in May last year. Hearings have been taking place till now in two benches of UP RERA at Gautam Budh Nagar and Lucknow.
We will take all kinds of problems where that very limited number of people should be present in the courtroom, and also there should be separate reception where people should be they will be allowed to sit with social distancing norms. So likewise we will take all kinds of precautions which are required for enforcement of guidelines under this COVID pandemic.
The authority is currently communicating the date and time of virtual hearing through emails and SMS to parties. They also used to make phone calls to remind and help parties for facilitating the process. As many as 40 cases were listed before the bench on the first day of virtual hearing. UP RERA had completed 2 years in September 2020. In 2 years, more than 28,000 complaints have been registered with RERA. Out of these, more than 20,000 cases are of NCR. UP RERA has taken a number of initiatives for home buyers. If you have a real estate complaint and you want physical hearing to take place, then from May onwards, you can make use of this option at UP RERA. Thank you so much for watching this show. Don't forget to subscribe to MBTV and follow me on Twitter and Facebook. For any comment and query, do write to me in the comment section below. This is Ravi Kumar Divakar signing off with my cameraman Manish Sharma. Don't forget to subscribe to MBTV on YouTube and press the bell icon to get the latest videos.